Hi, I'm Adam, founder of Journey to Teach Abroad. I was once where you were, updating my LinkedIn, nodding in all my what are you going to do after you graduate conversations, and with no job, dreading the disappointed dad look. Aww. If I did get a job, it might have looked something like this. Joey. Yikes. You don't want to feel like Joey. You want to feel alive and feed what your soul craves. J2 gives you just that. We are a teacher training certification course in Los Angeles that guarantees a teaching job abroad. We're not just giving you a certificate, we're giving you a journey you won't forget. Now's the time. Explore the unfamiliar with Journey to Teach Abroad.